What a year we've had. It has not been easy for anyone. All of us have had our normal way of life challenged, whether that's homeschooling, trying to do everything on a screen, or businesses pretty much overnight having to work out how to continue to trade when no one's in the same room anymore. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. COVID-19 has been the biggest health crisis to hit the world in over a century. In the wake of its devastation on both systems and lives, we're already starting to see a revolution in attitudes to health and subsequently in attitudes to healthcare. Equipsme is gearing up to be there as that wave breaks. Despite the third lockdown and the enormous pressure which our potential customer base has been under, demand has been growing for our product, one which we believe is uniquely positioned to provide affordable, flexible private healthcare for workforces big and small. The NHS has been hit particularly hard, and it is clear that their biggest issue going forward is catching up on the already long waiting list for treatment and diagnosis. Just last month, the Secretary of State for Health and Social Care, Sajid Javid, warned us that the NHS waiting lists could get as high as 13 million. Now more than ever, it's time to take some strain off the NHS. Additionally, there is an even greater need and expectation for employers to offer more benefits, with private health insurance being amongst the most desired. As an award-winning health insurance provider, we believe Equipsme is part of the solution and is already helping to build a healthier business community, and we want to do more. We have a range of affordable healthcare plans, and we are keeping our promise to democratize health insurance, making it accessible to all businesses. And it's thanks to our 900 or so investors and the previous crowd funds that we are making these big strides. You have been central to helping us move the business forward. Our pipeline is at a record high, and our 2021 strategic plan is in motion. What has Equipsme achieved in the last 12 months? We've made sure our business model was efficient and cost-effective, focusing on a clear strategy for 2021 to maximize traction as the world emerged from various lockdowns. We've invested in our direct digital proposition and seen a real boost of customers coming from that channel. The year got off to a good start. Our membership is up by 50%, and in the last financial year, our income has tripled. Despite trading conditions still not being at pre-COVID levels, we are seeing some very encouraging customer trends, not least in the best benchmark of all, the self-employed, where our latest customers have included dog walkers and cafe owners. But the biggest news is our joint initiative with AXA Health, utilising our digital capability to answer the need for a whole of workforce health plan for companies who only offer traditional private medical insurance as an executive benefit. What's next for Equipsme? Well, the health and medical insurance market is predicted to get to around £10 billion by 2025, mostly driven by the increase in NHS waiting lists. The working world has changed, and we believe Equipsme is perfectly poised and positioned to meet the changing industry demands and disrupt a previously stagnant market. With a 111% premium renewal rate, we have built a loyal customer base who are growing with us, and having our highest pipeline of over 69,000 potential lives, we have our sights firmly focused on the future. I'm sure you'll all agree that the world is in a different place now with regards to how people are thinking about their health and how they want to access it. Now is the time for an affordable, simple, accessible health plan for UK business. One that works no matter where you're working. Now is the time for Equipsme.